Welcome to AudimX Technologies. In today's tutorial, we'll be adding a stunning background video to your website using HTML and CSS. Plus, we'll design a beautiful, modern user interface to make your site look incredible. Whether you're enhancing your site's visuals or creating a fully immersive experience, we've got the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. Install Live Server for live preview. This is the image we're going to use, and this is the video. Create a HTML and CSS file using any name. Set the title and link the CSS file. Now let's create the elements. Add a video tag and add autoplay, loop, muted, plays inline as attributes. Let's style it using CSS. First, we need to style the background video. Also, we need to make it responsive. Copy the text and change min to max, set width to auto and height to 100%. Style the container. Style the navigation bar. Let's create the hover animation for the navigation bar. Time to style the logo. Let's style the heading. Create an attractive button. Animate the button. This is the result. Thanks for watching this tutorial on AudimX technologies. Now you know how to add a dynamic background video and create a beautiful UI for your website using HTML and CSS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest web design tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating amazing websites. See you in the next video.